what you want. A kill is why we breed. The Christians love their guns. The church and NRA pray for their salvations. Pray on the lower face. The storybook's been read and every line believed. Curriculum's been set. Logic is a threat. Read and search that sees. While bleeding out the ass. Asphyxiation is simple and fast. It's been 17 fun years of being someone's bitch. Don't think. Drink your wine. Watch the fire burn. His problems not mine. Senseless killing. I'd buy a government. America's for sale, and you can get a good deal on it and make a healthy profit. Or maybe tear it apart.